The Bell Helicopter Vibration Monitoring Kit, it's been a great product for us. We've learned a lot about the dynamic response of our aircraft over time.
The BHVM was originally developed to help our operators with maintaining their aircraft, help improve wing time, unscheduled maintenance events.
And we're just now starting to see where those products are being sunset, reaching end of life.
It's getting harder to support. You cannot get any new components. That everything has to be done under repair. We have until 2027.
The BHVM program was a milestone for Bell in terms of bringing vibration monitoring to all the offshore, public safety, and other aircraft around the world to help understanding what the condition of their aircraft was. That system is becoming obsolete, and we're honored to work with Bell on the BHVM to GPMS upgrade program to give these operators new insight into the health of their aircraft.
We will allow customers to trade in their MSPUs, and we'll give them credit towards the new system. That allows customers to kind of make the switch from the older technology to the new.
Just from a side-by-side comparison, BHVM, you're looking at a system that was developed 20 years ago. That's reflected in a lot of the cost and weight. Whereas GPMS HUMS, it's newer technology, you have smart sensors. That essentially allows the GPMS solution to be scaled down in terms of size. Another advantage of GPMS is the user interface. Traditionally, HUMS and analysis of HUMS data is something that we require as very specific expertise. And what GPMS has done is essentially package all of the same recording functionality and paired it with an intuitive interface that's easy to understand.
Way easier to use. You don't have to be a HUMS expert. And in talking to a lot of customers and operators, that's what they love about it. If any exceedances happen or alerts, you simply get an email or a text. If it's green, yellow, or red, right? It's pretty simple. If it's green, you're good. Yellow, keep an eye on it. And red, something needs to be addressed.
I don't think you can have a HUMS that is not Bell supported that is useful to a customer. What Bell support means for GPMS HUMS, when customers see something from that system that says there's a fault that's propagating, or there's a condition that's developing, Bell understands the GPMS HUMS system. Yes, we stand behind this technology. The data we're receiving is true. It's actionable. But without that support, you just have another piece of equipment that's recording data that the OEM wouldn't stand behind, and that's not the case here.
The upgrade program itself takes Bell's story development on the BHVM program to help us better develop our system to improve the analytics, improve thresholding, and overall give customers a better customer experience with their HUMS program.